Hi guys, welcome to Multiplex All-in-One channel. Today in our video I will show you how to order mobiles in flash sale, and also I will show you how I ordered 5 LG G8 ThinQ mobiles in Flikart flash sale. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is go to Flikart page and then go to LG G8X ThinQ mobile page and just open the clock and see the time, and just see actually the order is at 8 p.m. So when the time comes 8:00, then just refresh the page and go plus buy button and just go on giving the address and clicking on the payment mode. So if you done this process in within fraction of seconds, you will get the mobile definitely. In the same way, I ordered nearly 5 LG G8 ThinQ mobiles. It's not fake. I will show you the order list. It's real.